Hello friends, this is Ramesh Sharma here. Welcome back to the new tutorial of Fullyworld web tutorials. So today in this tutorial we are going to know about .env file and how we can use this .env file in our React.js. So first of all, let's see that what is our .env file and why we use that file. See that here in the Google I searched here about .env file and let's see what is written here. So here it is written, env file lets you customize your individual working environment variables. As you know that, like if you want any means for the security purpose, if you want to put a website in the production mode and to in any domain or in any hosting, then for the security purpose you need a separate file to put your secret things like our API key and our secret key and like our database password, database name, everything etc. That is secret for us and that we that for the security and that we don't want to share to anybody. So for that .env file is used. See that .env file we can make our own environment variables and we can put our own environment variables in the .env file and then we can use them secretly in our project without showing to the user. And for the hackers it will be also difficult to find your secrets for that. So see that here .env file contains the individual user environment variables that override the variable set in environment file. You can customize your environment variables as desired by modifying your env file. So we can customize our environment variable as we want by modifying our .env file. So now let's move there and let's see how we can create our .env file and then how we can use that variables in our React.js. So let's go there. This is our same project that we created in the previous series, that is our mini YouTube project, and here see that we use key here. So see that here we used key in our app.js directly. We did not imported key in the other file here. So this will be the very major security issue. So to maintain the security, so we have to create our .env file. Let's create our .env file here. So after that we will put our key here. Let's create .env file. We will create this file out inside our root folder, inside our root directory. So let's create our new file that will be .env and click enter here. Now our .env file is created. So this is our .env file. This is our .env file. Now it is successful empty. So first of all, let's see how we can create an environment variable in our React.js. So before adding a variable in React.js, let's see previously in the Node.js how we create our .env variable. In the Node.js we simply create a variable like here is YouTube API. YouTube API like this, and here double commas and under the question mark commas we use our this key here. I'm copying this, I'm pasting it here. So .env is here now. Now how we can use this? So to use this we have to use process. We can use this process .env API key. This is YouTube API. Copy this and our paste it here and it will be process.env. Process.env will access our .env file and after this we have to add our property here. So this is our simple .env file that we use in our Node.js. But there is a little bit of difference between .env file of React.js and in the React.js how we have to access this .env here. So there is another method. So now we added our .env file here. Now we have to restart our server. So press Ctrl C to terminate this server. And now we have to restart our server again. So I will resume the video after this server is getting started. Till then I am pausing it. So see that this project is compiled successfully, and see that now our video is not loading. So why our video is not loading? So we are getting our keys here. So because our video is not loading because we created our .env file, but it is not going to know about our YouTube API. We created our YouTube API here, so it is not going to know about that there is another YouTube API here. So to make this YouTube API working, what we have to do? We have to use React app prefix here. So save it. Now let's wait for compilation and let's see how it is working. So we have to now restart our server again. So I'm going to remove this and we have to restart our server again. So now let's see if this is working or not. So our server is restarting, so it will take little time. I will come back. Now it is compiled successfully, and see that now it is still our video is not loading. See that failed to load resource server. The server response was stated 403. That is our API error. This is because we use YouTube API here. So we did not use React app YouTube API here. So now when we will use our React app YouTube API, now process.env will go to our .env file and then it will check this. So it is mandatory to use React app here. So if you will not use this, then it will not work. So it is compiled successfully. See that now it is compiled successfully and our video is also rendering. So this is how we will use our .env file here. So for today this is enough. At last, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. If you have any queries, please comment in comment section. I will definitely respond to it. At last, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.